Welcome to ROAV Perfect classes. My name is Rachna Rana. In this video, I am discussing about rational numbers. What is a rational number? Rational number arises from the term ratio. Like 5:2, and it can written as 5 by 2. Here 5 and 2 both are natural numbers. Thus we can say that a rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q. P denoted to numerator and Q denoted to denominator, but Q not equal to 0 means denominator can never be equal to 0. For example, we cannot write 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0 because in rational numbers cannot be denominator divided by and denominator cannot be equal to 0. But we can take numerator 0 like this: 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, and 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, and 4 by 3, 5 by 4. But can never take 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0. Rational numbers can be positive, can be negative, but not denominator 0. So we can say that we can write 2 by 5 as a rational number minus 2 by 5 as a rational number. And decimal number is also called rational number. If decimal numbers like 0.33, this number is rational number because here after decimal digits are continuously repeating, and so we can say that rational numbers can be repeated decimal representation. Thus, rational numbers include integer and fractions. In integer, positive, negative, 0 included, and in fraction 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 5. These are fraction form. Rational numbers can be positive rational numbers, negative rational numbers. Positive rational numbers example: 3 by 8, 5 by 7, 2 by 7. Negative rational numbers: minus 5 by 7, minus 3 by 8, minus 9 by 5. And now, what is the equivalent rational numbers? What is equivalent rational numbers? By multiplying the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer, then we obtained another rational number equivalent to given rational numbers, and it's exactly like equivalent fraction. For example, minus 4 by 9. Here I am taking numerator 2 and denominator also 2 and multiply by given rational number. 4 2s 8 and 9 2s are 18. And now we can say that minus 4 by 9 is equal to minus 8 by 18. And this is the equivalent rational number of minus 4 by 9. This number is equivalent to minus 4 by 9. How to show rational numbers on number lines? This is a number line. Here center is a 0 and zeros in the left side of 0 negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and in right of the 0 positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can say that before 0 this portion is called negative integer, and from 0 to right side this portion is called positive integers. And like this we can represent rational numbers 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 on number lines. For this we take in center 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here divide by 2 all numbers which are taken on number lines. Divide by 2. Now you can get minus 1 by 2 on the left side of 0 by 2 and plus 1 by 2 also on the right side of 0 in number line. Now I am going to discuss about what is a standard form of rational numbers. When denominator is positive integer and numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1, like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, minus 4 by 5. These all numbers are in form of standard, but sometimes values are not given in standard form. Then we convert those values in standard form by reducing the number. For example, we have 9 by 27. For this we divide by equal denominator and numerator number, like 3 by 3. We get 3 by 9. Again we divide 3 by 3. We get 1 by 3. Now this number cannot be converted into any other number. So we can say that this is a standard form of 9 by 27 rational number. If a rational number is not in a standard number form, then we can reduce to standard form. And this is the example of converting the rational number into standard form. For this, first of all, keep in mind, if you do not know what value you have to taken for the reducing the value, then you have to take HCF. For example, we have 27 and 50 divided by 54. 27 divided by 54 means 54 is divided by 27. 27 2's the 54. So here 27 is the HCF. HCF is 27. So we can say that we can divide 27 by 54 by 27 by 27 and we get 1 by 2 is the standard form of 27 by 54. Comparison of rational numbers. There are different ways of comparison. First is two positive rational numbers, like 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. For this, first step is take LCM of 3 and 7. Means LCM of denominators, we get LCM, that is 21. When denominators are different of both values, then we can multiply for the LCM. Now in second step, we write like this: 2 by 3, 5 by 7, multiply sign, put multiply sign, then equal sign, and write like this, and take this LCM here as a denominator. Now 3 divided by 21, we get 7, and write 7 by 7 here. When 7 divided by 21, then we get 3, and 3 divided by 3. Now multiply 7, 2 7s is the 14, 5 3 is the 15. Now you can see which value is greater. When denominators are same, then only we see numerator and find out which is greater. Here 15 by 21 is greater than 14 by 21. And it's right here original value 5 by 7, that is greater than 2 by 3. Thus we can compare two rational numbers. Second way, two negative rational numbers. When you want to compare two negative rational number, then first step is ignore the negative sign. Then take LCM of denominator, and after that in third step write 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Multiply that value, which will be, after multiply we get denominator equal to LCM. Means 1 by 2, 1 by 5 equal to denominator should be equal to LCM. Now 2 divided by 10, we get 5. 5 divided by 5, multiply 5 divided by 10, that is that we get 2. 2 divided by 2, 5 ones the 5, 2 ones the 2. Here we get 5 by 10 is greater than 2 by 10. But in negative numbers, after that we put sign and reverses the sign like this: minus 5 by 10 less than minus 2 by 10, and original value is minus 1 by 2 less than minus 1 by 5. And third, comparison of negative and positive numbers. You should keep in mind that positive number, when compared with negative number, then positive number always greater. So here we can write directly minus 2 by 7 less than 1 by 2. Fourth way, compare rational number. Minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 3 by minus 5 and minus 2 by minus 7. Reduce them to their standard form, then compare them. For this, minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 we cut these signs: minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Now take the LCM, we get LCM 35, and now solve like this: 3 by 5 equal denominator will be equal to LCM value, and denominator of original value, that is 5, this value is divided by LCM value, we get 7, and 7 multiply as a denominator and numerator by original value, we get 21, and thus 22 by 7 also solved. 35 is written here, and 7 divided by 35 we get the 5. 5 is as a numerator and as a denominator we taken, and 4 multiply 5 2 is the 10. Now you can see 21 is a greater, so we can say that 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 7 rational number. Now next is how to calculate rational number between two rational number. Means if you have two rational numbers, then you can calculate rational number with the help of this formula or this method. For in first method, we can take formula a plus b divided by 2. Here a is first value, that is 3 by 5. B is second value, minus 1 by 3. Now we want to calculate between in these two values more values. For this, minus 3 by 5 plus minus 1 by 3 divided by 2. Minus 3 by 5 plus minus 1 by 3 and divide by 2. Take LCM 15. Now 3 is the 9, 5 was the 5. Minus plus 9 plus 5 14. Sign will be taken greater amount. Divide by 15, multiply by 2. 2 ones the 2, 2 sevens the 14. Now we get minus 7 by 15 is your that number which will be between minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. And another method is we multiply both values by common denominator, like take LCM 5 and 3, that is 15, and minus 3 is equal to minus 9 by 15, means original value equal to denominator of 15, like this, minus 3 by 5 equal to denominator taken here 15. 5 3 is the 15, that means 5 multiply 3, then we get this denominator. So here numerator also multiply 3. 3 3 is the 9, and like 1 by 3 is equal to denominator taken here 15. 3 5 is 15, that means 1 also multiply 5. Now minus 9 to minus 5, all values will be writing for like this, minus 9 by 15, minus 8 by 15, minus 7 by 15, minus 6 by 15, minus 5 by 15, and minus 9 by 15's original value minus 3 by 5, and minus 5 by 15's original value minus 1 by 3, and we take the sign of less than, and these three values are the between values two rational numbers. What type of operations on rational numbers perform? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and in addition additive inverse, and in multiplication reciprocal of product of reciprocal numbers. Product of reciprocal number. Now first of all we take here one example for addition, 5 by 4 plus minus 11 by 4. For solving this question, first of all brackets is open, 5 by 4 plus minus 11 by 4. You have to keep in mind that these sum points, plus equal to plus, plus minus plus equal to minus plus, and in all cases here we take sign plus, here we take sign greater values sign, here also we take greater value sign, here we take minus sign. Now if denominator are same of both values, that means LCM will be same, that is 4. When denominator and LCMs are same, then shortcut way is that you have to take as it numerators with sign. 5 minus 11, we get minus 6 by 4. If you want to reduce this value, then you can divide by 2 by 2. We get minus 3 by 2, that cannot be reduced further. So this is a standard form of rational number. And this example is proper. 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5's addition. We first of all take denominator when both denominators are different. LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. And here we take 15 LCM. 3 denominator of first value is divided by LCM like this. 3 5's are 15. And this question's value is multiplied by numerator, that is 5 multiply 5, 25. Again 5, 15. 5 3 is the 15. And now multiply numerator 3 by 3, 9. After that addition of both numbers, 25 plus 9 divided by 15, we get 35 by 15. If we want to convert into mixed form, then you can take like this. 15 2 is the 30. Here we get remainder 4, and you can write this value 2 into 4 by 15. 2 is quotient, 4 is a remainder, and 15 is divisor. This is also of example of addition. Minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15. First of all take LCM. 10 minus 15, 2 5 is the 10, 15. 3 5 is the 3, 5 as it, 3 5 is the 15, 5 is the 5, 5 is the 5. LCM of these numbers, 2 3 is the 6, 6 5 is the 30. LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Now 10 divided by 30, that is 3. 3 multiplied by 9, 27. 15 divided by 32, 2 multiplied by 22, that is 45. Minus 27 plus 45, we get plus 17 by 30. This is your answer. Minus 3 by minus 11 plus 5 by 9. LCM of 11 and 9, 99. 11 divided by 99, we get 9. 9 multiplied by 3, 27. 9 divided by 99, we get 11. 11 multiplied by 5, 55. 27 plus 55, we get 82 divided by 99. These are also more examples which are given here. Like this, minus 2 by 3 plus 0. If you want to addition, then you take here the LCM 3. Minus 2 plus 0, 0 by 1. 1 divided by 3. 3 multiplied by 0, 0. We get minus 2 by 3 rational number. And now if you have given in mixed form values, then you have to first of all convert into in standard form, like minus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 4 into 3 by 5. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3 is the 6. 6 plus 1 minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5 plus 3 divided by 5. 2 3 is the 6 plus 1. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 is 1. Either you can take here sign minus, then you can multiply minus 6 plus 1 and we get minus 5 by 3. If you take minus inside, then 6 plus 1 divided by 3 and 7 by 3 is the result. And now minus 7 by 3 plus 23 by 5. After taking LCM, 5 7 is the 35 plus 23 multiplied by 3, 69. We get 9, 35, 69 minus 35. We get 34 divided by 15. here you have to check which type you want to take this value. Now next, 5 by 63 minus 6 by 21. For this minus, first of all take minus plus, and after that take LCM 63, and after solving this equation we get 23 by 63. Here 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. When we take LCM, then after calculating LCM we get the 72 as a LCM, and after solving this equation we get the 13 by 72 is the result. How to find out product? For finding the product, 9 by 2 multiply minus 7 by 4. 9 by 2 multiply minus 7 by 4. If any value cut, then you can cut, otherwise you can multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with the denominator. 9 7 is the minus 63, 4 2 is the 8. So after division we get the result in mixed form 7 into 7 by 8. How to calculate division? For this, minus 4 divide 2 by 3, minus 4. When we convert divide into multiply, then after the division sign value will be reverse, means 2 by 3 convert into 3 by 2, and 2 1 is the 2, 2 2 is the 4, 2 3 is the 6. We get here minus 6. Minus 2 by 13 multiply 7 by 1. Now here no value will be cut to each other, so multiply. Minus 2 into 7 minus 14 divided by 13, means minus 14 by 13. How to calculate product of reciprocal of minus 4 by 9? First of all, write minus 4 by 9 multiply reciprocal of minus 4 by 9. Reciprocal means reverse the value. Minus 4 by 9 multiply 9 by minus 4. After the cutting we get the 1 is the answer. How to calculate additive inverse of 14 by 5? Minus 14 by 5 is the additive inverse of 14 by 5. Only change the sign, and when we change the sign, then we get after addition of these two numbers 0, and this is the additive inverse of any number. Thank you. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share.